right, so here's the deal. I'm currently finishing up David Goggins' book, Never Again. In his book, what he's talking about is traditional David Goggins stuff, never quitting. But he says something really profound in the book that really grabbed me. And what he pointed out was that most people are used to being comfortable. They're not used to pushing through pain. And as a result of not doing that, they never actually discover who they are. He even talked about leadership, that many people in leadership are there out of position, but not out of experience. Because true leadership starts with leading yourself. And if you're constantly looking for a pillow or a couch to crash on, then leading's not happening. Growing up, Al Bundy was not a hero. But the Al Bundy syndrome was to always talk about what you did back in high school. And I know for me, I can always talk about my 50-mile marathon and how awesome it was and how I trained for 3 months and how my body was recovering. I would run back-to-back weekends, 32 on a Saturday, 25 on a Sunday, miles that is, over and over again. But you know what? That was then. Just like whatever your success was, that was then. The only question is, what are you doing now to move yourself forward? So in asking myself that question, believe me, I've taken a back seat on a couple of projects that have kind of mentally stumped me. But the purpose of those feats, including my 50-miler and David Goggins' perspective, is to strengthen you mentally, so that nothing conquers you, so that your mind knows who's in charge. It's time for me to start running again. Or whatever it is. What is it for you? When are you going to start taking control of your life again versus being on cruise control, hoping just